Children, now we will learn how to find out the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. We have six inverse trigonometric functions: sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x. So these are six inverse trigonometric functions. So we will learn how to find out their derivatives. First is sine inverse x. So y equal to sine inverse x. Now this is function sine inverse x. We have to find out its derivative. So we can write this sine inverse x as sine y equal to x. We can write y equal to sine inverse x as sine y equal to x. Now we find out its derivative. So d by dx of sine y equal to d by dx of x. Derivative of sine is cos. So it is cos y into derivative of y is dy by dx. The derivative of x is 1. So we get dy by dx equal to 1 upon cos y. But this derivative is in y. Our function is in x. So we convert it into x. So this cos y can be written as 1 upon under root cos square y. And this is 1 upon under root 1 minus sine square y. Cos square y is 1 minus sine square y. And sine y is x. So this is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So derivative of y with respect to x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. And y function is sine inverse x. So derivative of sine inverse x, this is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now we find out derivative of cos inverse x. Y equal to cos inverse x. We find out derivative of this function cos inverse x. Now we know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. So we write this cos inverse x as pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. So this function y becomes pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. We find its derivative dy by dx equals to derivative of pi by 2, it is 0, minus derivative of sine inverse x, we have just find it out, it is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So derivative of this cos inverse x comes out to be 0 minus 1 upon this term. So it is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This is derivative of cos inverse x. Similarly, we can find out derivatives of sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, tan inverse x and cot inverse. Yes, now we will find the derivative of this function. Function is y equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube, where x lies between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So to find out its derivative, we first have to simplify this function. So to simplify this function, we substitute x equals to sine theta in this function. Then it becomes y equals to sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is equal to sine inverse sine 3 theta. This is formula for sine 3 theta. And sine inverse sine 3 theta is 3 theta. Now we have to find out value of this y, derivative of y with respect to x. So we have to convert this theta. So we have to find out value of theta from here. So if x is equals to sine theta, then theta is equals to sine inverse x. Now we substitute this value of theta here. So y is equals to 3 sine inverse x. Now we can easily find its derivative. Dy by dx equals to 3 into derivative of sine inverse x 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equals to 3 upon under root 1 minus x square. So this is derivative of the given function. Yes, now children, we will find out derivative of cos inverse 2x square minus 1 when x lies between 0 and 1. So to find its derivative, we have to simplify it. So let us simplify it. For simplifying it, we have to substitute x equals to cos theta. X equals to cos theta. Then theta will be equal to cos inverse x. Now y becomes cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equals to cos inverse. Now this is formula for cos 2 theta. And cos inverse cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Substitute for theta, it is cos inverse x. So y is equals to 2 cos inverse x. Now we find out its derivative. Dy by dx, it is 2 into derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equals to minus 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now children, let's solve one more question here. Y equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, and we will find out its derivative. So before finding its derivative, we have to simplify this function. So let's see what should we substitute here for x so that this function gets simplified and we will get some value here in terms of tan. So we substitute here x equals to tan theta. Then y becomes tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is formula for tan 2 theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta. Now it becomes 2 theta. From here we will get theta equals to tan inverse x. So y is equals to 2 tan inverse x. Find its derivative. Dy by dx equals to 2 into tan inverse x, derivative of it is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equals to 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is derivative of tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square.